Cleaning the bath is a back-breaking chore, and you can scrub your tiles, but they always need more. There has to be a better way. Introducing the all-new Hurricane Spin Scrubber from JML. The new cordless and rechargeable power scrub brush that cleans faster and easier. Even those dirty old tiles are no match for the Spin Scrubber. Blasting right through the grime, sparkly and clean every time. It makes quick work of calcium, soap and hard water stains clear and clean in seconds. The secret is the rotating brush, spinning at over 300 RPM. The incredible torque can bust through any caked-on crud with ease. So forget harsh chemicals. Restore the shine and luster of any surface in a flash. And you'll never need batteries because it's completely rechargeable. Cleaning doesn't have to take all day. There has to be an easier way. The Hurricane Spin Scrubber is so light and easy to use. No extra muscle needed. Spin Scrubber does all the work for you. Forget harsh chemicals. Toss those smelly wash rags and useless flattened scrub brushes. Forget bending and straining to clean the bath because you'll get this extension pole. Now you can easily reach down into the bath to power away stains, or into the shower to clean moldy grout and tiles. Even clean those areas you couldn't normally reach. The Hurricane Spin Scrubber comes with a soft flex cone brush that fits perfectly into corners. There's no easier way to get taps sparkling clean. Use it to blast away the burnt mess on cooktops. Even get into tiny crevices on the fridge door, or best of all, those hard-to-reach shower door rails. You'll also get the flat brush, perfect to use around rusty sink drains, or to bust through dirt on the shower floor. And there's no better way to power through the oven door grime, so it wipes off in no time. All three brushes fit easily into this handy storage bag. Make your cleaning quicker and easier with the Hurricane Spin Scrubber from JML. Take yours to the checkout now.